Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Jackfruit is a tropical fruit that offers numerous health benefits. Here are 10 health benefits of eating jackfruit. Rich in nutrients. Jackfruit is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber. It also contains smaller amounts of calcium, iron, magnesium, and vitamin A, which are crucial for overall health and well-being. High in antioxidants. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can cause cell damage and contribute to various diseases. Jackfruit is a rich source of antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phytonutrients, which can protect cells and support a healthy immune system. Supports digestion. The dietary fiber content in jackfruit aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gastrointestinal system. Fiber helps prevent constipation, supports regular bowel movements, and improves gut health. May improve heart health. Potassium found in jackfruit helps regulate blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and heart disease. Additionally, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to cardiovascular health. Helps maintain healthy skin. The vitamin C content in jackfruit plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, promoting healthy skin and reducing signs of aging. Antioxidants in the fruit can also protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. Supports weight management. Jackfruit is low in calories and fat while being rich in fiber. Including jackfruit in your diet can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating and aiding in weight management. May aid in diabetes management. The dietary fiber in jackfruit can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. However, people with diabetes should still monitor their carbohydrate intake and consult their healthcare provider. Strengthens the immune system. The high vitamin C content in jackfruit helps boost the immune system and enhances the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Supports bone health. Jackfruit contains calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These minerals play a vital role in bone density and overall bone health. May help reduce inflammation. Some compounds in jackfruit possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate inflammatory conditions and promote general well-being. It's important to note that while jackfruit offers several health benefits, it should be part of a balanced diet, and individual responses may vary. If you have any specific health concerns or conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.